So next change is shift in supply curve. So when supply curve is shifted from its original position, when price is constant, when price is constant, but change in supply due to change in other factors, due to change in other factors. Okay, so this is the reason that supply curve shifted from its position. So as we read that movement along demand curve is of two types, downward movement and upward movement, expansion and contraction. Similarly, shift in supply curve is also two ways. So shift in supply curve, rightward shift of supply curve, first we call increase in supply curve, increase in supply curve. Second is decrease in supply curve. So we are discussing shift of a supply curve. So in shift of supply curve can be shifted in two ways: increase in supply curve and decrease in supply curve. When increase in supply curve is there, the supply curve shifted rightward. The supply curve shifted rightward from its place. Rightward shifted rightward from its place. Okay. And when decrease in supply curve, the supply curve shifted leftward. It is also called leftward shift of supply curve. Okay, students. So when increase in supply curve and it is shifted to rightward, so we will understand one by one. First we discuss increase in supply curve or the rightward shift. Okay, so the first part of shift in supply curve. So increase in supply curve. Okay, so increase in supply curve is also called a rightward shift. Rightward shift. So when curve is shifted from rightward, students, increase in supply refers to rise in supply of a commodity caused due to favorable changes in other factors. So as I told you earlier that when supply curve is shifted from its position, when price is constant but the supply curve shift from its position due to other factors. So when favorable change in other factors, favorable change in other factors and price constant, price is constant, this is the reason that supply curve increases or shift rightward from its position. Okay, so we will understand this with the graph or with the diagram. So this is a graph y o x, quantity supply on x-axis and the price of the product on OY axis. So students, now we are discussing shift. Okay, so price is P and quantity supply is Q. Price is constant but quantity supplied increases Q1. When price is P and Q, the supply curve is this. Okay, when the price is P and Q, the supply curve is S. When price is changes, okay, sorry, no change in price is constant, but the supply curve shifted from its position to rightward, S1. Okay, first when price is P and quantity supply is Q, at that time supply curve is this S and S. When price is constant, no change in price but it is change, supply of a commodity is changed, it is increased to Q1. It is increased. Why it is increased? Due to change in favorable factor. Okay, favorable change in other factor. The quantity quantity supplied of a commodity increases. So in this case, the supply curve shifted from its position, shifted to rightward. Okay, shifted its position to rightward. Okay, so this is called shift in supply curve by increase in supply curve. Okay, students. Next is leftward shift or decrease in supply curve. So B part under shift in supply curve is decrease in supply curve or called leftward shift. Okay, so when it is leftward shift, when unfavorable changes in other factor price, but price is constant, but price is constant. At that time the supply curve shifted leftward. Okay, so this is a graph. To understand this, y o x, q x quantity on x ox axis, and on oy axis we presented price. So when price is p, quantity is q. When price is same, when price is p, quantity is q, so supply curve is this as s. When price is same but quantity decreases to q1, quantity decreases to q1, at that time the supply curve is s1 and s1. Okay, so see, the supply curve is shifted from its position to leftward. Why it is shifted to s2 s1 s1? Because unfavorable changes in other factors. Okay, clear students? No change in price, but supply curve shifted from its position to leftward. Okay, so this shows decrease in supply. Okay students, decrease in supply. So student, why supply is decreased? Because this firm, maybe the supply of this firm decreases because they are using oldest technology to produce goods. Okay, their product price is increased. Okay, increase in the factor of production, unfavorable taxation, other policies, decrease in the number of firms. So these are the reasons that decrease in supply is there. Okay students. So now we discuss the reasons that why supply movement along supply movement is there. Okay, in that we are discussing movement along supply curve. In this we are discussing shift in supply curve. So movement, we first in movement we can discuss the expansion of supply curve. Expansion of supply curve is due to increase in price. This is the reason that supply is also increases. After that we are contraction. Contraction in price, contraction in supply curve because price decrease. This is the reason supply is also decreased. Okay students, now shift in supply curve. Why shift is there? Shift we discuss in the two types, rightward shift or rightward shift or increase in supply, increase in supply curve. Why supply curve is increased? Because favorable change in other factors. So favorable changes in other factor, like in this we are discussing like a decrease in the price, like the product price is decreased, sorry, we are not discussing the price because price is constant here. So price of other goods. Okay, so the price of other goods decrease in the factor of production means they are using less factors of production. So decrease in factor of production, increase in number of firms, increase in number of firms. Okay, and favorable changes in taxes, favorable favorable change in tax system or policies. Okay, so these are the reason that their supply is increases. Now what are the reason that supply is decreases? Decrease in supply or leftward shift of supply curve, leftward shift. So leftward shift supply curve is mean why it is decreased. We can say that the increase in the price of other goods, increase in the price of other goods, price of other goods. Okay, after that decrease in the number of firms, decrease in the number of firms. Other reasons for decrease in the leftward shift of unfavorable taxation system, unfavorable taxation system. So these are the reasons that supply curve shifted from its position, because no change in price, price is constant, but supply is shifted from its supply curve is shifted from its position. So these are the reasons. Clear, students?